Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka and in today's video I am sharing how I do contouring. So let's begin guys, and very first step is applying eyes on my face. It's really good during summers. Next I'm applying moisturizer on my chilled face. I'm applying generous amount of moisturizer because we're going to go with a full coverage foundation and contouring and highlight all those stuff, so it's really good and important to moisturize your face. Next I have already applied the foundation on my face and I'm also applying foundation on my neck just to match the tone of my foundation, face and neck together. I'm also wearing this off shoulder dress, so I really need to give a good coverage to my neck as well with the help of foundation. And this is the basic step that you need to follow before contouring your face. And I'm just kind of blending my foundation. And now guys, let's begin with the contouring part. So for contouring, I'm going to take this MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette, and it's a cream based product. It's a concealer palette guys, and it comes with 6 different shades of contour and highlight and color correcting shades. So for today's video, I'm going to use this cream based dark contouring shades to contour my face. And guys, contouring is a blended gray line between the light and shadows on your face. Mainly the natural face is combination of highlight and shadows on your face. Your face is naturally your face appears full of shadow and depth, so we are going to create that natural shadow on your face that actually vanishes after applying the foundation sometimes. So firstly I will start by contouring my nose. As you can see, it's very simple. I'm placing the cream contouring products right at the place where the natural shadows fall, like hollows of my cheeks, sides of my nose, to sculpt my nose a little bit. I will place the cream products right below my jawline and my hairline. So these are the places where we basically need to hide it and create that natural shadows. So guys, before you select the contouring products, please make sure that you can take any darker shades contouring products that is darker than your natural skin tone, or probably darker than your foundation that you select. But the very important thing, that the main important thing of contouring is blending. And here I'm going to share you very important things guys. Always keep in mind that no matter what is the actual shades of your contouring product, but after blending, the shade that you achieve has to be matching to your natural skin or the foundation shade. It has to be hardly 3 shades darker than your natural foundation shades. So always in blending, make sure that you blend your contouring product until it is 3 shades darker than your natural skin tone. That is the main thing of contouring, where you achieve that natural blended effect on your face. And I'm going to be doing the same thing here. I'm just placing everything, like you can see, below my jawline, and it is really important to contour your face. It will sculpt your face if you have this double chin visible under your jawline or under your chin. So likewise you can drag the contouring products away from your chin, and in this way you will be able to highlight, sculpt and add a natural depth on your face. And guys, for the blending, make sure that you blend it airbrush, like you have to barely touch your skin with the brush and blend it. You have to blend it in a circular motion, like so. Very easy it is. Initially you will feel like it's not blending, but trust me guys, later on you will see the effect. You will see that blending that you never assume of. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'm just blending everything in a circular motion, and I'm blending and intensifying the contouring like under my jawline, and it will hide the double chin right now. And later on, if you feel like it's not that intense or not that dark, you can of course add on the products. Always try to start with less quantity of product, blend it, and then if you feel the need of additional depth or additional darkness or intensify the shade, you can of course add the products. So guys, likewise I'm just blending my entire face. Blend it until it matches to your foundation, until it appears like natural shadow on your face. I hope I was able to make it clear. And guys, next I'm gonna highlight my face. So after blending my cream contouring, I will highlight my face, and to highlight my face I'm using this LA Girl Pro HD Concealer. And guys, highlighting is exactly opposite to contouring. Instead of adding shadows, it adds a light to our face, and it will create the illusion of brightness and light on the highest point of the face. So it will just lift the natural features of the face. And I'm going to place the highlighter on the bridge of the nose, under my eyes, on my chin, centers of the forehead, around my eyebrows, everywhere where light falls. I'm also cleaning the edges of the contouring by placing the highlighting shade right below the contouring shade. And this is really important, guys, to highlight your face. Whenever you contour your face, it kinds of bring back that life to your face, giving you that extra natural brightness on the face. And I'm going to be blending it with the help of the foundation blending brush. Make sure, guys, the brush is really neat and clean. You can keep cleaning your brushes on the tissue paper so that there is no any excess of remaining products or creaminess on the brush, because we are working with the light shade of highlighters, and we have to be very concerned about it because we really need that clean finish. So yes, work with clean brushes. And next, I'm going to be setting all the highlighted areas with the help of setting powder. Here I'm using LA Girl Pro HD setting powder to set all my concealed areas, and I'm just placing it under my eyes, like on my face, in a tapping motion, like very less quantity you have to take. And this will also make your makeup long lasting after setting it. And next, I will also set the contouring areas. So I'm using the Sephora contouring palette to set my contouring. Guys, at this point, if you really want to intensify and make your contouring dark, you can obviously select the dark shade of contouring products. And I have mixed both the two light and dark shades and blended my contouring. And after that, I will set my full face with the help of compact. You can use any compact to set your complete base of the makeup. After that, I will apply the blush, and we have to place the blush right above the contouring, the finishing line of contouring towards your, under eye areas. And I'm applying the blush also a little bit on my forehead, jawline, everywhere, just to add that flush of colors. And after blush is done, I'm going to take the bronzer, and once again I'm going to go and intensify the contoured area, and this will make sure that my blush and my contouring is nicely blended. Bronzer will not add a lot of color to your contouring and not make it darker. That's the reason I like to select bronzers for this process. And finally, I'm going to be sculpting my face. So once again, this is again very important step of the makeup, where you can also correct your makeup mistakes. Sometimes it happens, your contouring goes ups and downs. So with the help of this banana powder, you can actually clean the edges of your contouring and make it more sharp and sculpted. I'm also highlighting my face with the help of this banana powder, and I will let it rest for good 2 minutes, and after that I will dust off excess of powder, and I will blend this powder along with my contouring part. And you can see the effect. It mattifies my makeup and gives you that extra glow that is needed and makes your makeup look more bright and natural. So yes, this is really nice. You can set your base with makeup setting spray. During summers, it's really good. Your powder based and cream based products get melted and blended all together. So after setting my face, I'll be doing the remaining makeup. I'm going to be doing my eye makeup and lipstick. I have created this beautiful winged liner considering summer in mind. I have done this orange tone makeup. I'm just going to give you the sneak peek of the look. And guys, at last, I'm placing the highlighter right above my blusher, where my blusher finishes the finishing line. And that's all, guys. I'm just removing the any excess of fallouts of my powder or eyeshadows from my face. This is really important to get the clean look on your makeup, and adding highlighter for that extra glow. This is the finished look of makeup, and you can see the contouring, you can see the shades, the blending effect of this contouring. It looks really sculpted. You can actually see the shadows on my face. It's kind of 2 to 3 shades darker than my foundation shades, and it still looks very natural, very sculpted. I hope you guys find this video helpful and really enjoyed watching the tutorial. Please like this video, comment down below. I'll be coming with a lot more interesting videos related to makeup in future. So stay tuned, follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you all soon. Till then, take care. Bye guys.